Hi everybody, my name is Javier Reyes and I live in Paris, California. Well, us as a family, we are all involved. Everybody tries to do their own part here and there. I wasn't previously involved at the beginning. It was more my parents. My parents weren't so email friendly and all that stuff. So they needed somebody to step up to that position, and they told me about it, and that's how I came about being the franchise manager. And the way that our parents raised us, I was always hardworking, trying to do things right, not take any shortcuts or anything like that. So I think that helped a lot influence into this franchise, because there's no cutting corners around here. But just knowing that you're getting things done right, like I said, you leave at the end of the night knowing that your building is clean for the customers and everything like that.